All right, another fall job, early fall. It's so warm out, so nice. We're going to tidy up some borders. I'll show you what it looks like now. It's a bit of a hot mess. It's all the grass is growing into the borders of my garden. So I got a really great tool from Swan Lake Nursery, who are local. I'll show you that. And we'll do a little before and after. And I don't know about you, but I love those videos of landscaping jobs that have a nice before and after. It's very satisfying. Yeah, so less about flowers today, just more of maintenance, garden maintenance. All right, so here's the tool that's great for edging. Like I say, I got this one from Swan Lake Nursery, so it just works so darn well. And then yeah, I got some extended gloves here, the ones that go right up the arm. I have some similar ones on our shop online if you want to check it out. These are great because that actually the other job I'm going to do while we're in here, as you can see, this is a whole bunch of irises, so it's pretty dense. But back here is this massive rose that is just gnarly to try and hack back. So we're going to do a really aggressive pruning of this rose bush. It reaches through the posts on the railings and tries to get you as you walk in. So it's great if there's people at your door you don't want there. Yeah, so I'm going to do that job as well. Also, it's nice that these gloves cover your forearms because forearms get so much sun exposure. So a little sun safety too. Okay, so I've just started by cutting my line through. I don't know how well you can see that, but you can see like where the grass is green and then how it kind of grows in and it's all a bit gnarly, so it's going to be really tidied up after. And as I was cutting, I noticed this flat patch here. I wonder how well you can see that. Anyways, it's obviously deer sleeping here. Probably a pretty small one too, actually. But you see that a lot around town. We got loads of deer and they are adorable. They do like to eat my roses. Roses seem to be a favorite. But yeah, it's kind of cute to think that a deer was sleeping here recently. Kind of fun. So now I'm going to pull up the section that I've cut and then show you how tidy that looks afterwards. All right, here's the finished product. Look how much better that looks. It's so clean and tidy. Nice contrast between the green grass and the dark dirt. Looks great. I even found my sprinkler, which is good. Yeah, so it's quite a satisfying project. Just tidies up things. I did the front yesterday. Well, a portion of. I did not complete it. But you can just see this nice, sharp edge all the way along, and then cleared out a bunch of old plants, making way for new. So yeah, should be nice once it's all done. Okay, that's it. Again, if you want that tool, it's called a half moon edger because it's shaped like half a moon. Yeah, so you can pick one of those up if you need. They work amazing, super easy to use. I thought my husband was going to have to do this job because of the strength it might require, but I found it really easy. All right, good luck. Happy gardening. Talk to you soon.